operations are underway in Jammu and Kashmir following the Pulwama attack. Security forces a crackdown in the Riyasi district. Search operations have been carried out in the Bhaga area after reports came in of suspected terrorist movement. Forces have also swung into action with Riyasi placed on high alert after key intelligence inputs. A massive hunt is now on to flush out any presence of terror in that region. So, of course, keep in mind that this has been on the background of some significant anti-terror operations in the valley. We already saw Operation Keller that happened in Shopian, which saw 3 Lashkar terrorists being eliminated. Then we have seen in Anantnag and Tral as well. Let me now go across to my colleague Tejshri with more details. Tejshri, take us through what is happening right now at Riyasi.
Well, you see, there was a tip-off that there was some suspicious movement in Riyasi, so that's why now intensified search operations are being carried out in Jammu's Riyasi. And remember that these search operations have been carried out since past few hours, not just in Riyasi but in Samba as well. And as you have rightly mentioned, that that's a massive terror crackdown here in Jammu and Kashmir, because we just saw that how a terrorist was neutralized in Kashmir, and now in fact the search operations are being carried out here. What we are also getting to know is that apart from Riyasi, search operations are also being carried out in fact Samba as well, because there was a tip-off that yes, there was some suspicious movement. So as soon as the security forces gets an alert of any kind of suspicious movement, they start this kind of massive search operation, because remember that there's a strong message that has been sent to Pakistan. Neither any kind of any kind of such act will not be tolerated now. So that is why even the slightest movement is being monitored 24/7, each and every district, each and every place where they are getting a tip-off or an alert, the security forces are carrying out a massive search operation. And as far as Riyasi is concerned, then yes, the entire area where the search operation is going on, in the visuals also we can see that it has been cordoned off. The forests are being the dense forests are also being deeply searched by the security forces. Well, next we are awaiting for a confirmation so as to what happens next over there. What was there any suspicious movement found? That will only be confirmed after we get an